Hola, me llamo Erika Cruz. Trabajo en Corrigan OSB. Soy la press rover y la press operadora. Hi, my name is Erika Cruz. I am a press rover / press operator at Corrigan OSB. So I've been in this kind of environment for, I want to say 10 years before I got a RoyOMartin. But I always felt like I wasn't appreciated in my other job. So I came to RoyOMartin and it's been a great experience for me. I'm training to be an operator right now. So basically I work like 6 hours behind a desk and I monitor, make sure the press is running, everything needs to go where it needs to be. And then the other 6 hours, I'm actually a press rover. Like I actually walk around the press, look at it, make sure everything's doing everything it needs to be outside what the computer's saying inside. When I went from saw line rover to press operator and press rover, I felt like that was a giant step forward. And like I am the only press rover, press operator that is a female, as Angel is the only heat and energy that is a female. So we feel like our shift is just freaking dominated. The programs that have affected me and have helped me are my PKS. The PKS basically is saying, here, this is what you need to do to get your money. And so it's up to you. If you want to go and stay at whatever pay you got, that's fine, because it's your choice. But like me, I want to continue expanding, and if the company's willing to do, which they are, they'll let me expand, which is pretty amazing. So this is a great starting point. And then if you like this, just blossom. You can only get better here. You always have somewhere else to learn, somewhere else to grow. I probably will retire from here, most likely, and I'll probably be really happy. 20 years down the road, they'll interview me again, and I'll probably be like, yeah, I enjoy it. I know it's kind of crazy, but even my vice president here walks up to me and be like, hey, how's Batman? Which is my dog. And I'm like, oh, he's great, huh? And it doesn't happen very often. Your vice president doesn't know your dog's name. I mean, sometimes they don't even know your name. You're just a number. And here I'm actually, Erica, Batman's mom. So I think it's pretty cool. My vice president knows my dog's name. That's pretty cool. Hola, me llamo Erika Cruz. Estoy contenta que alguien creyó en mí.